Guangzhou Geao Polymer Materials Company Limited was founded in 2006, is a chemical enterprise specializing in the production of leather finishing agent, shoe finishing product, leather and shoes care products. The company is located in Huadu district of Guangzhou City. The traffic is very convenient because it is very near airport and Guangzhou North Railway Station. The company covers an area of 3,500 square meters, has a standard factory building, office building, laboratory, and staff dormitory. We establish a long-term relationship with University and Institute of Chemical Engineering for our product research. Products in addition to domestic sales. We also export some of our leather care products to other countries, especially in Europe. Our business model: focus on the production, invest in R&D, pay great attention to quality, make direct wholesale business rather than retails. Our vision: humanist, takes the environmental protection, becomes well-known brand which the leathers and shoes finishing chemical industry most may trust. Our mission: improves the quality continually. By using the imported raw material and new technology, we provide the ultra-value and high-quality product for the leathers and shoes finishing chemical industry. Our value: integrity, quality assurance, profit sharing. Our slogan: Geao makes leather more special.